Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech review, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case for the LG G8 ThinQ. I want to give a shout out to UAG for actually sending this case to me for a review. It's from their Scout Series. Look at it. No, it won't show off the beauty of your phone, but it will protect it. In this video, I'm going to make sure everything fits well. We'll make sure everything lines up, and we will make sure that you can wireless charge the phone with the case on it, because you don't want to take the case off. I don't think we will have a problem with that, but we'll definitely test that out too. So let's get into this review. Nice presentation from UAG as always. Drop tested. Follow them on their social media websites. Look at the case. Built to go further. Bam. Here's the case itself. We will get back to that. Alright, so let's go over the case. Yes, you do have some branding there, UAG. The sides are this grip material, and you can see the back is a little bit different. Bam. You have the Google Assistant button, the volume rockers, the power button. Look at the cutouts. Let's go ahead and make sure the phone can fit in there and fits well. First thing we're going to check out. Yes, we do have some lip action, not much. I wouldn't slam my display down, but you do get some protection. Check out the camera hump. Oh, you definitely get some protection back there too. Now, the thing with this fingerprint scanner, it doesn't have like a leeway in there. It's just a drop off. Hopefully it's easy to find. The cutouts line up perfectly. The microphone on the top does too. The one on the side. Now let's see if the power button works. Fingerprint scanner was easy to get to. The volume rockers definitely work. Now the Google Assistant button I can't really test out because I have it turned off. But overall this case feels really good in the hands. Like I said, these sides give it extra grip. Now let's see how the fit is. Definitely fits snug. Man, this fits snug in there. Now let's see if you can wireless charge with the case on it. Alright, so I have my wireless charger. I don't think we will have a problem, but let's find out. Bam, just like that, you can wireless charge. You don't have to worry about taking the case off. So if you want to pick up this case from UAG, I will have the links in the description. You can pick it up from Amazon or UAG.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the LG G8 ThinQ. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.